Mr. President, there are very few things which members of Congress agree on. But one of the things that binds us and unites us is a common oath that we take to uphold and defend this document. This document is not just another resolution, another law. It is the Constitution of the United States. For more than 220 years, this document has guided our nation and inspired other nations toward democracy. I think it is fitting that we swear an oath to uphold and defend it.
The Constitution has served as the foundation of American principles since its ratification in 1788. Over 200 years later, America still relies on this doctrine to guide our country and produce the democratic system we have today.
How much do people really know about our Constitution?
Okay, we hit the streets of Chattanooga to find the answer.
Maybe 4 out of the 5. Maybe.
Freedom of speech, freedom of assembly, freedom of religion, freedom of the press.
I think I got the last one. If you go ahead, keep trying.
Go ahead.
Search and seizure? No, that's not one.
Freedom from
They can't put troops in your house.
Oh, you mean like to carry guns and all that?
Right to bear arms? Is that a freedom?
Yeah, that's the second one.
Right. Okay. That's terrible. I'm embarrassed.
Like press?
Arms. Freedom to
right
to bear arms.
Yes.
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 No.
Yes.
In the 1989 Texas v. Johnson court case, it was decided that flag burning is indeed a protected freedom of speech.
Five.
Wait, can I have a clue?
Unlimited.
No limit.
The answer is no, because of the 1961 Supreme Court case Matt v. Ohio, which established the exclusionary rule. This rule states that any evidence found illegally cannot be used against a person in court of law. With this, a person is protected from illegal searches and seizures.
No.
You want to try? No.
Your right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. This is because
Right to remain silent. You have
The right to an attorney, you cannot afford one, will be appointed.
Right to a trial. Right to remain silent.
In the 1966 court case Miranda v. Arizona, the Supreme Court ruled that any convicted person must be informed of his or her rights, and if they are not, their confession cannot be used against them in a court of law.
I did when I was your age, and I don't now. For one thing, I don't want my tax dollars to pay for someone who's committed a heinous crime.
Yes.
no. Do it all the time. In other
It's very
countries, they do
permanent.
it.
And there are quite a few examples of people being executed by mistake. Find out later they were innocent. It's kind of an irreversible mistake.
Turnaround's fair play.
In the 1972 court case, Furman v. Georgia, the Supreme Court decided that the imposition and carrying out of the death penalty was held to constitute cruel and unusual punishment.
Poor thing. It's the Ninth Amendment. Ninth Amendment.
That week and go downtown and walk.
The Ninth Amendment protects the rights of the people not specifically listed in the Constitution. For example, Roe v. Wade in 1973 protected a woman's right to privacy.
Life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
Some tax powers. States, I can't remember what all these. Well, driver's license, is that some license?
Well, I can say that all power is not reserved to the federal government or held by the states.
Nancy Pelosi.
All right, Bill Gates.
Vice President. Of course. How much time have you got? I mean, who do you want to run your country? Don't you want to be involved in the decision making of your country? It's not a really major involvement. It's pretty indirect, but
And it doesn't matter.
It's what you got.
It doesn't matter who you vote for. You always vote for the third party. You never vote for a Democrat. And you're damn right. They don't get elected. I'm protesting. It's like protest.
No. What's stopping you? My age.
That's
Why?
scary, huh?
Why do you think it's important to vote?
Because I'm an American and it's a good thing to do.
The citizens of the United States sit under the trademark of "We the People." But what can be done to ensure that the people really know about their own Constitution?